I gotta talk real fast. Don't mind my hair because I just got out of school and it was like pinned back. But anyway, so yeah, today I'm gonna be doing a prank on my boyfriend. I'm gonna go to the car wash. I'm gonna let the window down while he's in here. And y'all, he has the best reactions. Just because I told him I wanna go get my nails done and I asked him did he wanna go. I already know he was gonna say no, for one. I already knew that. So I said, I need to go to the car wash too. So he really fell in the trap because I said, I want to go to the nail shop. You want to go with me? And he said, no, but I go to the car wash with you. I already knew he was going to say that. So right now, we actually going to go to the car wash and he coming. So I'm talking about something else. You see him? Yeah, this is going to be so funny, period. Like, this is going to be hilarious. And I know for a fact I'm going to get wet, but it's okay. So I don't know if I should go to the car wash in my Jeep or in my car, but either way it go, he's getting pregnant today, y'all. Let me tell y'all what happened yesterday. Hold up. Okay, let me tell y'all what happened yesterday. So basically, he was playing and he pushed me. And y'all, when I say he pushed me, I fell. Like fell. Like I fell. Y'all, my boyfriend, let me tell y'all, he already aggravated with me. This is gonna be so funny, y'all.
Whole YouTube video?
Huh?
Make this a whole YouTube video?
Yeah. I'm just gonna act like it's a vlog. So he gonna be, so I'm gonna restart it and be like, hey y'all, welcome to my vlog. So just in case y'all see me again doing that, just know it's about to go down.
Video?
Yeah. Period. Ask him what he wanna do. Hey y'all, happy Monday. So I finished school and now I'm currently at the car wash and, hey boyfriend.
What's up?
And we about to go to the car wash.
Did you get the top one?
Yeah. Hold up. Is this top? Am I getting to the top of this?
No.
Oh Lord, what I'm doing?
I always take my time right to know what I'm doing.
Boy, it messed up you.
You should probably turn that camera off and move it. I'm telling you.
For what?
Stop.
You miss me today?
Yeah, I'd rather take that off camera.
Dude, it's for my vlog.
I'm saying.
Now you're gonna have to cut that out.
Okay.
So.
Cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle.
Anyway, y'all, so look, today I got my legs waxed. And I got footage and y'all should definitely see it. Like, why are you looking like that? Huh? I look wild a little bit.
I look better on my camera.
You look good, it's just that it's dark. I gotta do my hair. Yeah, I got a wig. Oh, I bet blonde is really my color. Where you said it was at? So yeah, we took the top off. We took the top off. Don't mind my nails, y'all. I gotta get them done. How you like that? Don't mind them. But seriously, we took the top off one time, and so now he's saying that it just might, you know, leak through the window. No, boy. You wanna touch me?
Sure.
It's kind of good to think, to meditate though. It's kind of good. Boy, you is that job.
No,
I know you want it.
It's coming through here now. Right?
Oh, I feel it.
Yeah, I told you that. You thought it was bullshit.
I don't want to hear it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, you motherfucker.
Oh God. Oh my goodness. My camera.
You thought I was smart?
What?
Bro! You play too fucking much, bro. Chill out, bro. Bro, move, bro. Move.
What's wrong with you?
Bro, move, bro. Chill
Okay, I'm just keeping them up because now I feel like you play too much. Move.
Bro.
I ain't gonna do it no more.
Bro, I don't care.
No, because now I don't trust you.
Okay, bro, move. Move your fucking finger.
Nah, I don't trust you, dude.
I'm not gonna do it.
You gonna try to do it big.
Why would I do that?
So we can buy another one.
You play too much.
What's wrong?
I don't even care.
You don't care about what?
I'll just change it. Over there.
No. Why you acting like that? Why you just acting like it just happened now? Like, where's the energy? Nah, where's the energy? Cause, nah.
It's all good, man.
Yeah, this dude made me fall yesterday. Okay, when I say fall, he pushed me. He pushed me lightly and I fell like I dived on the floor, tight fall. Like, y'all, it was crazy. My sister could not believe it.
Now I got another question. You really bought top wash?
Huh? You gotta get squeaky clean. You're a jerk. Did I get you? I think it was the first reaction for me. So I'm gonna have to do like a little playback part for that because you funny. But anyway,
Oh my God.
thanks for watching, you guys. Did I get you good though? Oh, look at that dog.
In order to prank me, you have to do something like.
Yeah, he got a white German Shepherd. And it's creamy. Oh, it's so pretty. But anyway, thank y'all so much for watching this vlog. I got you good.
No. Because I don't care.
But that ain't the point of you caring. The point is that I got you good.
Oh, yeah, you do get me good.
I got you good. He said, yo, what the? Okay, come on. You gotta smile with me.
I'm smiling now.
You not gonna do no cute face with me? Come on. Do one of them quiz faces.
I can't.
Look. You not gonna do that?
No.
Come on.
No.
Do that thing for me. But anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If y'all want me to do any pranks on this guy, comment. Do not comment. DM me. Inbox me.
I'm gonna see that shit anyway. It don't matter.
No, you're not. I promise you won't.